In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to use Instagram Stories archive feature. Let's get started. Instagram Story archive feature helps you keep track of your past stories and reuse them whenever you want. To access this feature, launch Instagram, navigate to profile page, go to settings and activity. Now head over to the option archive. You'll be directed to this page where you're gonna find all of your archive stories. In case you are unable to find the story, click on this drop down and set it to Stories archive. If you don't see your stories being saved, click on three dots, then click on the option settings. Make sure you have toggle on for the option Save Story to Archive. From now onwards, all your Instagram stories will be saved to the archive section. Now you can head back, launch any of the story that you wanna share. Click on the option More. Now here you're gonna find a different option. You are able to save this story. Likewise, share as a post or share to your Facebook story. Likewise, reshare archive story. So that's it. This is how you can easily use Instagram Stories archive feature. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.